friends, my name is Neelam Tarangi and today's video topic is operators in a Java. There are different types of operators are used in a Java and today's date is 28th January 2022. Let's see the different types of operators used in a Java. Mm, uh, First we can see what is operator. Operator is a character that represent the action and that can be used to perform the operations. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Let's see one by one. There are different types of operators in Java. First we can see the unary operator. What is a unary operator? The unary operator is a bitwise operator. That means it can be um, it can be it is operator it is operator that perform the operation on a single bit. That means we can increment we can decrement the bit by one by one. First one is a postfix unary operator. Second one is a prefix unary operator. What is postfix unary operator? Postfix unary operator means the operation can be performed initially and the operation can be performed first we can print result and after that the increment can be done and post prefix operator. In prefix operator the operation can be performed initially and after that the result can be print. In a unary operator there is a second one operator is a inverse operator. It can be inverse the bit by 1. That is when our bit is 0, it can be inverse into 1. These all are the unary operator. Second one is the arithmetic operator. It can performs the addition, multiplications, division, subtraction, modulo, etc. Shift operator. Third one is a shift operator. Shift operator is used for shifting the shifting the bit shifting the bit in a particular value or a particular position. In this shift operator, right shift, left shift can be used. Second one is the relational operator. This can be used to compare two variables, that is a less than equals to, greater than equals to, etc. Etc. Suppose two numbers, number 1 and number 2. When number 1 is greater than, then we can use the relational operator, that is number 1 is greater than equals to number 2, or number 2 is less than equals to number 1. Bitwise operator. Fifth one is a bitwise operator. This can be used for performing the logical operators, that is ANDing, ORing, exclusive OR, etc. In this operator we can use ANDing of two numbers, ORing of two numbers, inverting number, etc. Logical operator. In a logical operator we can also use the logical ANDing, logical ORing. In this in a logical operator, uh, in a logical AND operator, where it checks the two conditions. When first condition is true or second condition is false, then it is a false. Or when first condition is true and second condition also true, then it is true, and it performs the remaining code or operation. When single condition is false, then and operators cannot be worked. When both conditions are true, then both conditions are true, then and logical and can be performed. In OR condition, two conditions are checked. First, if the first condition is true, and second condition is false, then it can be worked, because first condition is true. And when second condition is true and first condition is false, then it also can be worked, because it checks a single condition. That's why it can perform the operation. uh, Ternary operator. In a ternary operator, ternary operator, it having two expressions. When first expression is true and second expression is false, then it goes in a first expression, and the code can be executed of a first expression. And when it go in a second expression, when second expression is true and first expression is false, then it can perform the or execute the code of a second expression. This is a ternary operator. Assignment operator is used to check the equality of a equality, or in assignment operator we can use equals to, plus equals to, minus equals to, multiplication equals to, uh, um, division equals to, uh, greater than equals to, less than equals to, not equals to, etc. Suppose number 1 is a 5 and number 2 is a 6, then when we can show the number 1 is not equals to number 2, then we can use the assignment operator not equals to. These all are the operators are used in a Java. Thank you so much.